I thought this was the women's bathroom.
Oh, I thought it was too.
Okay.
You know, I didn't even buy anything with like the receipt thing. I just like, when you walk in here, they just have to let you in.
Well, I'm really not present in the moment right now. I'm sorry, I'm like bombing because I'm in the teacher hat. I can't do it. I can't shift. I can't do it. I can't be on stage. Like I'm sorry. Okay, I'm modeling terrible behavior. I'm so sorry. I can't do it.
Chase, you should respond to her having a
breakdown. I'm having a breakdown.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm late for class.
Do you need coffee? This is a Starbucks. There's coffee out there. Ow. There's a hurt child out there. You should probably, as a teacher, help the hurt child.
I feel like I've got too much responsibility.
There's a waterfall out there. The child is drowning.
Someone's gonna help him.
You're the teacher. You're an adult. I'm not really a minor, but I'm also not qualified to be an adult. So
He's showing you how to help the child.
Okay, yeah, show me how to help that kid who's drowning right now. Assist me, please. He's drowning. We better hurry. We better do anything, please. Step in the water first.
First, you have to get down on your knees.
Okay.
And you have to say a little prayer for the child. So, I want you to join me and take a deep breath. Could you do it more in harmony? Okay. So let's take deep breaths in harmony. Ready?
I'm sorry, that's the frog that lives in my throat.
Don't apologize for that beautiful sound. In fact, I'd really like to hear it again.
Okay.
So I'm not going to breathe. I'm going to keep my hands right onto my pants. No, you have to put your hands back in prayer position.
I'm sorry.
Yes. Now take that deep breath again. Let me hear your most beautiful frog in your throat. Breath. The child is doing well. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. Okay. The child is coming up from the toilet.
This is soul leaving his body. This doesn't help.
Oh my gosh, the child is running out the door.
You're the adult. Bye. He's calm now, I think. You think he's fine?
I think you've just grown up a little bit. I would like to see you rise. Now, I'm going to give you this offering from the floor of the Starbucks. And I want you to take this offering of toilet paper and vomit and just put it all over your shirt.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You are healed.
Am I an adult now?
You have grown to be a fine young man.
and blackout.